Good morning. What's up, everyone? See if we can catch a trade or two together. Good morning. Welcome in. Got a few minutes before market opens. I just wanted to get on here in enough time for everyone to join and get focused in and ask any questions you may have. Drop them in the comments. And there's never a good excuse to go until it, so no forcing trades. Let's do this right. If you're trading funded accounts, 3 MNQ is a good position size to start with. So it's just my thoughts. Let's do this right. I'm going to unmute and talk to Team Bull for a bit. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, please. All right. It's almost time.
That was hilarious.
What's your favorite setup today, Jaden?
As far as individuals go, I like that Nvidia.
Yeah.
As far as the indices go, I like finding a higher low on the Nasdaq. I got my coffee. Market opens in 1 minute. Trade smart, trade safe, stay patient.
Good morning. What's up, Steve? Welcome in. It's time to see if we can catch some trades. Everything seems to be pumping this morning for the most part. Besides gold. Gold's not having too good of a day, but so I'm watching this Nvidia for a pullback to that 91.7 area for a bounce. Market's open. Let's do this. Let's do this, Team Bull. See if we can catch a nice trade like we did yesterday.
That was nice, huh? It wasn't crazy, but it was good.
Yeah.
It was solid. All right, y'all. Market's open. Arena is on. Game time is here. Let's go. Let's trade smart, trade safe.
NVDA, Jay, is a ticker for NVIDIA. NVDA.
Team Bull shirt came in today. Let's go. A lot of y'all are getting your merch. I love that a lot of y'all are getting your merch. That's dope. How could you not want to represent discipline over dopamine every single day?
NVIDIA may go without us, Jay. I don't know if we'll get a pullback. This market's just crazy. Crazy strong.
I know.
Wow. NVIDIA 194.3 off the open. 194. Microsoft ripping too. What's it doing? Dang. Welcome in, everyone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We have nothing but time. We're just waiting on a setup to form, a trade to form. Good morning. What a time to be alive. I know over the long term must be looking good. That's why my daughter's accounts are up more than mine is this year. It's been a crazy year for the long term. What's happening here? We're just looking at charts, waiting on the trade to set up. Trading some futures and options. We're going to look for a pullback on NVIDIA for a bounce. Make sure you follow. I'll go live every single morning. NVIDIA's not giving us a pullback. Let's just be honest. This is ripping up. It's going to go 200 and sell off probably. We'll see. Hang around. Maybe you'll learn a little bit. Maybe you will learn a little. Any questions for me? Anybody? That NVIDIA's gone. So I'm just going to remove that off my screen. I'm not getting the pullback I wanted there. I should just rip some calls. You could just tell it was wanting to rip anyway. Tesla's selling off. Tesla has relative weakness. Interesting. Interesting. Tesla, nasty bounce on Tesla. What is this price action this morning? Tesla's going up now. The market's selling off. Not, pulling back a bit, not selling off. What's that 15-minute range like? My bounce area is way down here, like around this pre-market low area. That's where I'm looking for a long entry on NQ. What's Apple doing? Am I using NQ for direction on NVIDIA? No, I'm looking at NVIDIA in front of me. NVIDIA is already ripped up, so that trade's invalid for me now. As far as the bounce area I was watching, a bounce area. Wait a second, let me unmute Team Boy. I need to talk to them here. I'm gonna watch a NVIDIA for like a pre-market high bounce, 193.5. Watching that area, Team Bull.
Higher.
Yeah, 193.5 area.
I mean, you don't have much risk if we do get it, so.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check the NVIDIA option chain.
Yeah, I haven't even looked at the options yet.
Actually, the monies are like 300-400, not terrible. Not cheap, but
it's not horrible.
Yeah.
Yeah, when NVIDIA has strength, a lot of times NQ goes along with it, you know, especially if you have enough of
not terrible.
The big stocks moving in the same direction.
Seen worse. Seen a lot worse. I've seen that the money's like $2,000 on weekly contracts. R.I.P. Noah, man. Dumpster's birthday was today.
Dumpster was a legend. R.I.P.
My entry 62.
62. My entry 62.
What Greg take? I missed it.
Longs.
Longs.
Greg took some NQ longs.
My stop loss is 42. 0.42.
I'm looking at pennies right now. The pennies have been hot, haven't they? Somewhat. It's been a minute since I've seen pennies moving good. Nice. Let's see here. I don't like longs yet. We have to wait till we get out of this range, everyone. We have to wait till we get out of this range for me to take a trade. I'm watching the video more than anything right now. I was wanting a little more pullback for a possible call entry on the video. So that is what I'm watching in front of me here. I'm going to leave NQ up on the screen for you all, but I got NVIDIA up in front of me. May not get it. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I don't like longs when we're below point of control there. But maybe once we get above it, we could look for a pullback to it. Especially, you know, the 15-minute range, we get above that. That's a possible setup. We can talk about it when it's a little bit closer.
NVIDIA may not give us that higher low, Grizzly.
That's what I was sitting here watching, man. I'm not for sure if it will or not.
Yeah, we're going to see.
Technically, I'm just looking for us to push down closer to that pre-market high on the video. We can wait on the 5-minute higher low candle to form. sure you hit the follow button. I do go live every single day. Don't ask for anything but just hang out. Keep a good conversation going. That's it. And stay disciplined, of course. No blowing accounts on my watch. 3 MNQ should be your max position size. If you're not reaching payouts constantly,
Trimming some guys.
Greg, nice. Greg made a trim some there.
Break
If
even.
anybody took the longs with him, I'm not in a trade, so.
Slightly in profit. Trimming some more.
Tesla is sold off heavy then ripped, huh?
Stop loss is slightly in profit.
Hopefully you get a high day. If you got a high day, that'll be nice. Move like 26,100.
That's what I'm looking for.
Alright, sorry if I missed any questions. I was looking at charts.
We have a 1 hour
I'm not for sure about that one.
order block.
T
On the
true.
London high. I don't know if they want to go back there to grab some.
Typically around 8 a.m. when I go live on Instagram of the morning, create the watch list, yeah. We're pulling back on it.
75.
We're pulling back on the video here.
That's why, guys, is put your stop loss out at least break even.
Yep. Smash this break even.
Yeah, just in case if they want to go back to this area 025, there is an order block there. 1 hour time frame.
SPX. Look at SPX. Shay's looking to fill the. Oh, I see what you're saying. You looking for a gap down there, or a what, like that 6875 on the SPX for a possible bounce?
Longs.
I don't hate
I
it.
wish you had some more volume on that candle, though. I do wish you had some more volume on that candle. Well, these are gonna pump up.
Come on in queue.
Come on, Nasdaq. Is
Yeah.
Nasdaq and
5.8.
S&P are diverging.
Nvidia and 193.5. Right here, this area on Nvidia would be it for calls if it's gonna bounce.
SPY's kind of taking a dump, and Nasdaq is holding its own.
Nvidia's back down around this area he's watching. I haven't taken any position yet.
I'm still gonna watch Nvidia for my initial bounce, like that one we were talking about, Grizzly, that 191.7.
Yeah, 191.7. I like that.
Yep, 191.7.
Corners to pound profit. Corners to pound in profit. Nice. Out of the trade.
Out of the longs. Out of the longs.
It's no volume,
To the mum of effing dreams. Let's go.
There's no volume, guys.
Yep, less volume. That's how it goes at these all-time highs. Don't make me call grandma again. Don't make her go 9 for 9.
I think we should call her. We need some assistance at this all-time highs. Huh?
Need some assistance, right?
This is unknown territory, you know. We don't know here.
My
I
Discord is
know.
like freezing. I'm trying to type, but it's like freezing up. Is anybody else having issues on Discord? I was trying to mess with someone that wouldn't let me type. Like it keeps freezing up as I type.
Play phone a friend.
See what happened at 025, guys, if they're gonna go back there.
I miss my brother Noah, but you know what I really miss too is that he'd always have the best penny stocks for us. I don't really trade pennies anymore or even pay attention because, you know, I saw someone that's always watching. He was watching every morning at pre-market. So watch UBS 4. They're up 800% and it's 6 in the morning.
Wow, I can get my.
All right, 15-minute range is in as well. Let's mark that out.
I'm trying to type in chat, but I can't, Team Bull. I'm just gonna talk here. All right, selling off. I'll let you all know if I take a NVIDIA position. Basically, gonna wait on a higher low type setup here.
Gene. Take those shorts? Nope, I haven't taken anything. If we just continue slowly grinding up at all-time highs, I'll have a very much so scaled back trading performance until we stop doing that.
Oh, previous day
Trading
point of
ebbs and
control.
flows. I don't need to be full foot in the gas every single day. That's a realization you're going to have to come to at some point in your trading is that you have times where you put your foot in the gas and times where you step on the brake.
All right. Appreciate all the follows. You're crushing it. Thumbs up are greatly appreciated. So gap filled on ES, or sorry, SPX. Interesting. Does it fall right through it is the question. We're gonna catch a trade hopefully. We just gotta be patient. It's gonna be a little tricky. We got FOMC tomorrow. All that good stuff. Appreciate you showing up, D-Mill, for real. 6,900 ES. Watch that for a possible bounce, everyone. 6,900 on ES. Let me tell Team Bull. I'm watching the 6,000 area on ES for a bounce as well. Team Bull. 6,000, right around that area. 6,900 rather. 6,900.
We are approaching slowly to 025. So what happened?
I got my rocket fuel going into my body. You got the coffee. As the coffee digests and absorbs into my veins, I can feel the next trade becoming imminent. I feel it coming.
I guess we could leave that choice on there, Brian. You know, make it like a choice. Live on TikTok and YouTube. Just gonna be patient,
Sounds like
everyone.
you're taking a creative writing class right now. I used to do creative writing competitions when I was younger. Fun fact. I told you that, Gene. I love writing, man. I love writing and this being creative. I do have bars. My brain works and
Whoa. We're just pulling back. I mean, we just made out new all-time highs. A lot of strength pre-market. Excuse me. Yes, confirmed the orb. To the downside. I'm not taking it to the downside. Still looking for that bounce area. Selling indicator. Oh, Grisology? Yeah, it just has supply and demand, all the key levels, helps you with trend entry, orb, as a point of control, previous day point of control, and current point of control on the time frame. I like to watch the 5 minute. And it shows you hourly supply and demand. It's just point of control is basically the high volume point for this time frame. Is current right now, that blue dotted line you see at the top above the current candle, think of that as volume based resistance right now. This month makes a full year for Grisology being around. You must have got in from the beginning. Yeah, we can put a label on it, but it's only blue dotted line you have. I'm working on another update right now and another indicator. I'm not going to start anymore until I finish that, but I definitely will. It's very simple to do. What was that? Must have a little tweet drop. A little tweet. We didn't close above the point of control, everyone. Just thinking out loud. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We got time. I'll let you know what I take and be very clear about it. So I'm watching the video here, but this candle is just not doing it. I needed more volume. Yeah, they're rough on funded accounts. That's why if you're trading funded, must have a physical stop loss set. And like I was saying, we got to keep low position size. If you're not reaching payouts, why not try it and listen? 3 MNQ while we take trades. I know you're not going to reach a payout in a week. It may take a couple, but it can be done with low size. And it's going to allow you, even if we get on a losing streak, right? Like technicals aren't being respected, which then week happens. They will happen. Cannot avoid it, that type of week. It would eventually happen. But with the right position size and, focusing on execution, not forcing trades, you can survive, quite a few hits before you actually lose your funded.
But
I like this bounce area on the video, but that previous 5-minute candle just didn't have enough volume for me to try longs. Push right up to VWAP. This is the bounce area I was watching. It's just not enough confirmation for me to...
this time, and Christina kills it.
Was that Trump speaking? Is that what the pump was about?
Probably. Bro mentioned tariffs or something. Gotta find a winner for our boy Dumpster.
FOMC tomorrow.
Yep, we do have FOMC tomorrow. Typically, the days after FOMC give some good opportunity too. So we'll see.
No, I haven't sold any target yet, Danny.
The TGT got a nice out on that, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it, even if it does sell off some. I want 100 plus before I try.
Bro's got diamond hands.
Oh, yeah.
Bro's a holder.
Steve says my target for Target is 120. No pun. Welcome in. Make sure you hit the follow button. I go live every morning. And this is a reminder. It's time for the reminders. 10. No forcing trades, no going on tilt. Let's do this right. There's no point wasting your time. You know, you're not going to get rich overnight. Let's come in, trade only valid setups, manage them, and go on about our day. That's all we can do.
If you are new or a beginner, barcode like this means avoid. Means avoid, means run far.
No, I'm not doing power hour today, Jackson. That was just yesterday. We found a swing trade, so I'm good. Good on that. Any topics we can talk about? Anything you feel like we need to discuss on here? I'm down. You all know how good I am at talking to myself. I like this NVIDIA. I just can't take it because the confirmation candle I was looking for didn't have enough volume. It could go back up to high day, but I will not be in it. Still below VWAP too. One thing to note on the video. We keep closing right below it. This candle could rip through it because it's right at it. Open right at it. Right below it. I need a Team Bull headquarters in Tennessee. I promised you all, well, I didn't promise. I said I was going to do a meetup this fall. I'm trying to stick to that, but we will have a meetup. I just got to get everything under control with the land and everything I have going on. Hoping to have everything straight here within a couple months. You all coming if I have a Tennessee meetup? I mean, I don't want to do a meetup and just teach. If we have a meetup, we're gonna have some fun, do some things. I have taught enough in my lifetime. Let's see. Yeah, do a Pigeon Forge or Gatlinburg meetup. That's what we'll have to do. Just get a massive cabin. I know what'll happen if I get a massive cabin. Some of you probably have a little wild side. Go in there. Mess it up, huh? I see you. Not in a trade right now. We're just talking. We're just chopping back and forth between this 15-minute range. So real quick, if I schedule something, I don't know exactly when. If I schedule a meetup though, and give you all enough, you know, leadway, you think you all could show up? Just real quick, let me see. Trying to get a rough estimate here. I'm sure a lot of people from Team Bull would be there. Does it snow in Gatlinburg in December? Sometimes. It's hit or miss with White Christmases in Tennessee. Well, if you're not in Team Bull, of course you can come. That's right, Ryan. Only if Buc-ee's does the catering. I don't know about that one. I know if we, I feel like it'd be steak or sushi if we had a meetup. I don't think I've tried it. It's been a long time if I have, Scott. Maybe just do both, steak and sushi. Well, I'm close to the Knoxville area, so we'd probably do it in Pigeon Forge because that's like a tourist attraction. Y'all, we don't have to. Some of you all might want to stay. Go enjoy Pigeon Forge. They got the island. Search up the. I sound like my daughter. Search up the island in Pigeon Forge. It's pretty cool. You got the island. In Gatlinburg, you can actually go skiing. They have a resort there. Come on, NQ. Get out of this range. We got a busy day ahead. What do you all have planned? Anything fun? Or just all work? I got a lot of work to do today, unfortunately. Which is a good problem to have, I guess. Well, you gotta think. I know we don't like to chop, we want to catch a trade, but we do have FOMC tomorrow. Did I buy a cabin? I bought some land. I've been buying land. I'm going to buy as much land as I can afford. I may go broke buying land, but I'll have plenty of land. But I'm building one, Heath. I'm going to build my own cabin. Yeah, I like staying busy as well. Nice. 2 Airbnbs down there. Wish NQ had moved, Jaden. What's going on here?
He looks
What?
they're waiting for something.
So I wish NQ would get out of this range.
I know.
It looks they're waiting for some news or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started with the options day trading. But I started investing long term a long time before I even knew what day trading was. And I would say swing trading is what I started next. Then I started day trading. Kind of in that order. It is odd. VIX being up 2% at all-time highs. Which I'm no VIX expert. We closed right at that point of control, didn't we? Maybe a little above it. But I'm just going to say right at. Maybe, and I think it's time we bring back the merch as well. One more drop. I've had a few people DM. Not that I make any money from it, just for those that actually want it, you know. How do I manage my risk? Typically, we only take trades that have calculated risk, right? That makes sense. If there's too much risk, we can take the trade, but we have to lower position size. It just stop loss is typically where it invalidates for me. I don't really look at the 1 minute too much. I'll check it out though. ES could be bear flagging on a 5 minute. Well, kind of that one wick kind of messed it up. Yeah, I don't see anything I like on ES either. You say calculate a risk? No, we just know exactly where we're going to stop out before we enter a trade. So
Absolute instant that
I'll try to explain it to you if
It's
we find a
over.
trade today.
Market's just gonna tank.
I feel like the best way
We're
to
in.
show you is once we
But if
see
you're
it
waiting
set
for me
up.
to leave, you go to the gym. Let's not get that twisted. Let's check this out. Let's see. These Tesla contracts are expensive too. I was looking at
10.9's first trim spot, Jake. First price target. On the swing.
There we go. But AMD orb never touched the
Interesting,
high
Jackson.
spot, though. I was watching for that 261.6 area bounce. Tesla orb's moving though. I did miss the Tesla orb. I was watching it, but
What's the benefits of joining Team Bull Discord if we go live? It's just the education, the environment, the people in there, the community. You know, you have people to talk to. Different people teaching, have psychology coach in there. Psychological. I don't really use Fibonacci often unless I'm trying to find like retracements or like prices past all-time high. Does Brandon trade live? Yeah, he's got his own Zoom. Everyone, so I don't know if you all have been around. I know a lot of you have, but I was one of the first people join Team Bull, right? I joined when it was just Jay Dunn and another guy ran it. And I never planned on becoming admin. I just was trading. I just loved day trading. And one day I looked and I was elite. I was like, whatever, that's cool. I'll call some trades. And another time I was like, made admin. I'm like, all right, let's go with it. Whatever. This is how it started. I remember Team Bull before GD, Brandon, Savage, everyone. Savage came not too long after me. Dumpster was already there because him and J Dunn was already friends. So Team Bull is like, you know, it's important to me. It's like put a lot of time and effort into it, you know. I've showed up live every day there nearly for, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, something like that. Have a good day, Austin was taken. Yeah. We'll see you in the morning. What's up, Wes? Hopefully you're back soon. Nothing wrong with that. Always support Brandon and GD. This price action is horrible. Literally horrible. No power hour today. We got into a swing trade. I did end up selling some cash secure puts on open yesterday as well. I took shares for a swing trade and I sold some put. I was just gonna buy the swing trade, but I ended up selling some puts on it as well. Not a ton. I'm just so hesitant trying to short all-time highs. I don't know about you all, but do we try to trade tomorrow even though it's FOMC? That's the question. Yeah, this isn't good price action so far. I'm gonna be patient a little while longer, see if we can catch something here. Finally moving out of this range. Everyone staying disciplined, not forcing trades. There has not been a setup I've considered worth putting some risk on for. I'm not in a trade. Is Trump still speaking? Can someone see? He's still speaking? Jesus Christ. Wish he would speak when it wasn't market open, or early morning session at least. Any questions for me while we wait? I use VWAP. Grisology has VWAP with it, so. Good morning. You're welcome. The video finally getting down to that main bounce area I was going to watch. 191.7 on the video, still on watch for a possible call entry.
We got a minute and a half till this candle closes.
Then the video is starting to push down to our area. Finally.
Getting there.
Who's making money with Yankee shirts?
I guess Greg tried some shorts. Surprised Greg tried the shorts again. That first one got him. But they're printing now. Looking for calls on the video. Didn't quite get down there though. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm looking.
Very smart, very safe.
Is anybody in a trade?
No. What are you looking for?
I'm watching NQ
Shorts?
here. I was looking for a possible short on NQ.
I am too, but just whips on. I'm trying to swap these to shorts up here, guys. I tried shorts with stop slope 67.
Jay done got in shorts. I want a little higher for my shorts. I think you all know what I'm thinking. Up here around this pre-market, that point of control area. I'm just hesitant to short all-time highs. Excuse me. I still like longs, but we got a long ways to go before I can try longs. Like down around pre-market low is where I'm looking for longs at. Let's watch in price action. So 52, 20 points. Let's see. There's a little too much risk. Jesus. I mean, we could have took an early entry, but why? When we have price action like this, you know? What is that? 42? Technically, we're below VWAP. It's not gonna give us entry. It's making me aggravated. Well, I missed that one for us. My bad. I want us to pull back. I want us to pull back and retest that range again. That's what I was looking for, but we just didn't. Can everyone still hear me? Give me yes. I want to make sure everyone's still awake. Or still can hear me. At least my audio is not out. Awesome. No chasing. Just taking some patience this morning, huh? It's okay. A lot of my long-term VOO, I have a lot of it in that. Some nice ETFs are great for long-term. Keep it simple, boring. If you take individuals, I would try to keep it under 5% of your total. Just my opinion. VOO, VOO, VTI, all that's good. I'm gonna try some longs. I'm considering it here, everyone. Stop below 2609. See if anybody's in one inside Team Bull. Is anybody in a trade?
Nope. Or yes. So you're good to trade though. My hard stops are at 45. I've trimmed twice. You're chilling. Take your trade. If you like longs, whatever, take it.
Just watching. I was about to leave, but this section is better now.
All right, I'm in longs. MNQ long stop 26009.
That's my feeling, Grizzly.
If you're trading funded accounts, 3 MNQs plenty. If you're not reaching payouts, all that good stuff. Hopefully it just don't rip down. I know it was to the bottom of that range, but we had a higher volume candle here. Watch it stop me out instantly. We closed above VWAP. High volume. So it looks good to the upside. I'm gonna keep my stop the same though. 26009.
Let's go.
I have the hard stop in 26009. If it hits that, I will be out. This is the only trade I'm taking today. Only setup I've liked. So. Correct. Bottom of this previous 5-minute candle is my stop. I'm light with you all. MNQ. 3 MNQ. If you're on a funded account, that should be it. What's that sound? Is that just the wind blowing? Well, Travis, I mean, who he is why he's rich. I mean, I know who he is in person. Yeah, I'm long. It's just, hopefully it doesn't chop us around here. I was hesitant to take a trade today, to be honest. With the price action already, you know. My average is around 37,037. Grizzology better not confirm orb retest. Chill out. short or short. Hopefully it doesn't confirm that while we're in these longs.
All right, friends, I'm leaving. See you tomorrow. No more trades. Trade smart and trade safe.
All right. I'd like to see it move up to this pre-market high area. It could sell off. I keep rejecting the bottom of that 15-minute range. Excuse me. I'm moving my stop to 26.021 on this trade, everyone, that we're in. Taking some of the risk off. $37 is my around my average. Because I mean, we could reclaim this 15-minute range, but as of right now, we keep rejecting it. We need NVIDIA to pick up some strength here, I think. If we get that going, we're good to go. What's my target on NQ? That pre-market high is 26.063. Then above that, which is not much higher, 26.070 is point of control. But ideally, in a perfect world, we just take this to high day. Everyone heard my where my stops are now, right? They're right at the bottom of the previous 5-minute candle on NQ.
I'm gonna get off in like 2 minutes, guys. Getting off a little early today. Caught a winner. Made over 1,000 on the live account. Made progress on the fundeds. I'm happy. One and done. As a reminder, if you guys have a Tradify account, make sure you guys use the ambassador code T.
What was I gonna say? If y'all are uncomfortable in this trade, you can feel free to close it. I don't want you to stress over it, but I'm letting it ride out. If it hits this, I'll be out. I tried it. We had that high volume candle. I was looking to catch a move back up. It's just not give it to us yet. 5-minute time frame. I don't like shorts here. Grizzology's trying to. It could hit, but I'm long. It's the day before FOMC, so it's gonna be tricky. You all think it's gonna be a 0.25 cut tomorrow during FOMC? Take it easy, Steve. You're calling for the 0.25, right? No, I'm not betting on it again. I'm down 2,500 on betting on the rate cuts already this year. Down 2,500 betting on rate cuts this year. So I'm leaving it alone. What? I want a big rip up here on this candle. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? $22.
Need some volume.
I need a big push up here. It is a rip face straight up to that pre-market high, 26,063. Dumpster passed away, Josh. He was an admin in Team Bull. It's been a while. Young man. Gone too early.
All right, Grizzly, I'm gonna make you host. I'm about to get out of here.
All right, man. As soon as this trade's done, I'm out as well.
Team Bull, when I'm all out. Trade smart, trade safe. Caught a winner this morning. Grizzlies currently in a winner right now. Hope you all have a blessed rest of your trading day, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. All right?
Peace.
See ya.
You are stuck with me now. Oh. I moved my you know what? I'm getting out of this trade here. Everyone at my entry, right above my entry. I'm not holding through this. I don't like the price action, so I'm just getting out at my entry. Right above. We barely missed my first trim, selling back off, so I'm getting out. Not playing with it. Everyone following? Understood? I'm out. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm out of everything, so. All right, everyone. I'll catch you all later. It could print. You know, we came up, missed my first price target barely. Then we sold back off. Wasn't worth the risk anymore to me, so I got out of the trade. You know? All right, peace, everyone. I'll see you in the morning, okay?